Hi guys, so welcome to Crazy RC Workshop update video 1st of January 19, just to show you what we got going on here. So X-Maxx, I've bashed this hard recently, so I'm giving it a thorough clean out, ESC out. I'm going to take the front and the back sections completely off it, clean all the diffs out, just to show you what we got going on here. Max 5 ESC by Hobbywing, due to me blowing up 4 standard ESCs, the 8S ESC. This is the 8S truck as well, but I did blow the 8S motor, the standard one that came with it. I fitted the 6S motor into it. Still running 8S, and it's a little bit faster actually, a little bit less torque, but does just fine. One big thing I've been having with this truck is gears. I've gone through so many, and also blowing front and rear diffs. So what I tend to do is used plastic gear, because they're about £3 instead of about £18–19, and they seem to be just as robust. And what I've done is I've turned the power down using the Bluetooth thingy on the phone. I've turned it down to between 70 and 80% now and then, and there's more than enough power, and it just seems to save all the gears and the diffs. Also, the good thing is, without this being plastic, this should be the first thing that goes now rather than the diff, and it shouldn't take out my pinion at the same time either, so that should be a plus. So yeah, this will be back together in a couple of hours and ready to go. New Rustler we've got. Only got this 4 or 5 days ago. Took it out for a couple of speed runs. I haven't took them out yet with these new wheels and tyres, but these are Proline trenchers, which I put on here last night. When I had it, I put on the red RPM bumper, and last night I've just put some red A-arms from RPM all the way around, so that should be now good to go. Obviously, we're putting the wheels, trenchers on the back, not really for speed runs, but I can put the standards on for that. This is more for off-road use and bashing, basically. Moving on to the Slash 4x4. This was my mate's truck. I had it in pieces, so we put it all back together, put a new body on it, sprayed the body up. Nothing special, but it's a lot better than what it was. When I had it, it came with this one on here, which is like a Hummer body, which is way too small. I'll just show you now. I mean, it done the trick, it was just way too small. So put a new body on it, fixed it all up, got it all working great. And then yesterday, took it all apart, gave it a really good clean out, put some new RPM Nerf bars on there because they were missing. I think the standard one broke. Also put new A-arms, front and back, green on this one. So yeah, should be ready to go. And there is my Proline trenchers for the X-Maxx that I run. Obviously I've got the standard wheels as well up here, which are about half the weight to the trenchers, so they are good. But these, you get a lot better off-road performance with these. Just got to be careful of the weight, but like I said, by toning down the power of the motor, you're all good. Stay tuned, please subscribe for more.